Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Kinemaster and loading the project that contains the background music. This gets you straight to the content. Next, switch to the timeline view and locate the audio layer or clip that holds the music. It's often labeled or sits beneath the video track. Tap that music clip to expose the editing controls. You do this now so that the next actions, mute, lower volume, or remove, act only on the music, not your main audio. Once the music clip is selected, you have 3 practical options: mute, reduce, or remove. Tap the volume icon and drag the slider to 0 to silence the track, or lower it to blend with voice. If you want it gone, hit delete. That permanently removes the clip from the timeline. For partial removal, scrub to an edit point, use split to isolate the segment, and then mute or delete just that slice so your voice or sound effects remain intact. Finish by previewing the project from start to finish to confirm the music is muted or balanced with your primary audio. Playback verifies timing and levels. Make sure to inspect other tracks because background music can appear on multiple layers or be embedded in exported clips. Remove duplicates if found. If the sound still persists, close and reopen Kinemaster or clear the app cache. Sometimes a restart applies changes. If problems continue, re-import.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.